Welcome to Jolly Darling Travel. Whoa, maybe I should learn how to drive a golf cart. Yes. Thank you. Thanks. You thaw out a little bit, so I'm gonna go take a picture of it, I suppose. Honestly, just don't bother next year because that Passholder Lounge was literally a waste of my time. Jolly Darling Travel. Whoa, maybe I should learn how to drive a golf cart. I am headed over to the bus stop to go catch the bus for Epcot. And I'm gonna go check out the Passholder Lounge, get my magnet. Wait, I need my ID. Let's pull over and park this golf cart. I'm pretty sure I can just pull over here. Just pull right here. This'll do. Don't forget your key because if you lose this, it's $15 to replace it. Okay, let's go get the magnet first, and then we'll go get the Moana treat, and then back to the Morocco lounge, or the Morocco pavilion, so we can go into the lounge. Thank you.
Stephanie.
Yes. Thank you. Thanks, you too. Oh, I need that one. It was easy. So let's see if there's anything new in creations other than all this merch that I really like. I love that. I don't know who would wear these, but maybe for pajamas. But that is $50, and they're like pajama material. And then you do have a shirt that matches, but that's only really $65. That is equally hideous for a whopping $70. Yeah, I'd pass on that. That's fun. Very 90s. That's kind of cute, but not super impressed. Oh, that one's cute. This one is $80. Fan, but I think this is really pretty. The colors are pretty because they're nice and pastel. But a whopping $89.99. But it's cute. These are cute. They're small though, which is nice. $65. You come in Figment, Minnie, the Castle, and Remy. Oh, actually, this one's cute too. But I don't really see anything super new, to be honest. Alright, I'm gonna go head over and get my Moana treat. Flower and Garden is still on, I believe, for a whole other month. So you can get here for Flower and Garden, and it's such a beautiful festival. These guys, it's actually at like a little, just like a generic ice cream booth. It's not a special festival booth. So I would assume they're already pre-made. No, thank you.
And you have a beautiful day.
Thank you, you too.
Take care, how you doing?
This is just pre-made. It's actually really frozen. I'm gonna have to wait for this to thaw out a little bit. So I'm gonna go take a picture of it, I suppose. But honestly, it kind of tasted like a Dole Whip sorbet. It was refreshing. It was only $7. It's easy to eat because it's in this shell, so you can walk around with it. Just give it a few minutes to like warm up, but once you start digging it with your spoon, it's fine. So I hope they keep this all year round because I kind of liked it. I was skeptical at first, but I did like it. Into this Goofy experience, and it's really cool, so kids can run around and Goofy will be in here and he plays games with everybody, and it's just kind of a fun way for the kids to you know, get some energy out in a cool atmosphere. So it's really cool. I would assume this is part of the like Cool Kids for Summer promotion that they have going on, and Goofy will be present. I don't have time to wait to see it. I'm sure I'll see it at some point this summer. However, I think that's really, really cute. To head back toward Morocco to go and check out the Annual Pass Lounge. Now last year they had Genie in there, and I kind of have a feeling Genie's there again. Not that I'll be disappointed. Epcot is very quiet today. I don't know what the ride times are because I haven't bothered looking, but I can tell you that the crowd level is pretty low on. Today is May, I don't know, today's Wednesday, end of last Wednesday of May, so it's really not so bad. I've made it to Morocco, and it's gonna be in the Marrakesh, the old restaurant to the back. I don't know what that orange thing is, but it looks really good. And there it is. A walk instead of taking the boat and get warm.
There you go, and then you have your ID with
Thank you. I set up. Let's see who's here. I would assume Genie, but no one's there just yet. And then they have water and snacks. Hello. How are you? Oh, thank you so much. Oh.
All right.
Try again. Put it right there. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. Let's go grab a seat. Chips and some fruit trail mix thing, which I can't eat that, but that's okay. It does smell a little funny in here. I don't know. I thought I expected a little bit more this year. Coming out this year, so I'm gonna cut in some footage from last year because I never actually put that up. So this is me last year with the Genie.
Because you'll do all that.
The fact that that lounge actually got worse from last year is kind of comical to me. There was no Genie. They said that they weren't told that Genie would even come out this season. you're giving, all right, you know, annual pass holders aren't just season or people who live in Florida. I would say if you're going to make annual pass holder lounges, maybe giving credit pass holders who come here and actually pay for resorts and different, you know, ticket options for parties and things like that. Maybe do different tiers, but honestly, just don't bother next year because that pass holder lounge was literally a waste of my time. But I'm glad I went back there because now you don't have to waste your time. Now, if something changes there, I'll certainly update, but for right now, stay away from the pass holder lounge. It wasn't worth it. Okay, I'm gonna head over to Hollywood Studios. I'm gonna go and check out the new Villains show, the new Mermaid show, but you're not gonna see that in today's vlog. So you'll just have to like, subscribe, do all the things, and turn on the post notifications so you can see that vlog. I'm sure by the time I get it out, all the big vloggers will have already had it out, but at least you'll get my point of view because we all know I'm not gonna lie to you. Alright, well, thank you